Hi everyone. So let's start a normal simple Java class program. How to write? Okay. So we are we are seeing a lot of big codes, but people doesn't know how to write a simple Java class program. How to write? So first step, like when you come into the Java point, you need to know how to write a small Java program. What are the aspects we need to see in the Java program? What are the things we need to consider there? We need to have a look at. We are writing our Java program in Eclipse. There only we write the code and execute there only. A simple Java program with package. Okay. So let's see how to write the code first. Now, first thing in the point number 1, you guys, when I do the application, you guys see that how to create an app package. So package is literally very important. You need to create a package. In that package only you have to create your Java classes. So you see that public is not so important, but still I gave. So it will be automatically come when you give the class name and the file name. You can see what did I write the class? Class as a Java class. So Java class is my class name. You can see this is called as a class name. So see what is I am calling this guy as a class name. So you can see what I'm going to call this guy as a class name, right? You see this is a class name. So class name. So make sure that whenever you do, the class name, before you come into the coding, you should think about what is the class name. Okay. So when you see the class name in Java, literally you can write n number of classes, but you make sure that which class will contain the main program. There is something called main is there. Void main, like that. There is something called main will be there. You can go to the next slide. You can see that here public static void main. This is the main. So in this point, my main is in the same class only. So make sure that which class is having the main. Which class is having the main. So what you have to do is which class is having the main. So you guys need to see that. What is the point to be noted here is which class is having the main. So you have to see that which class you are having the main. That class name you need to take as a file name. So make sure that one more point number 1. Point number 1. That is you need to see the class. That is what you have to see that. You have to see that which class is having the main. Main means public static void main. That class name you have to take it as the file name. That class name you have to take it as a file name. Class name need to put as file name. So I hope you guys understood. So our here this is Java class, right? So Java class is the where main is written. So my file name will become what? Literally will become what here? The file name will be coming as. So what is the file name here? It will be coming as Java class dot Java. So when you give the file name, initially you should get it as Java class dot Java. So you guys make a note here. The first you have to check that which class is having my main program. Main is there. So main which class, that class name you should take it as the file name. So what is my file name? Java class dot So you guys need to see this point, where this point you need to see. You see, right? So class name is my file name. So initially when you take this, you need to consider this. So that's why I'm pointing this to more, right? So let's see that. Now what did I write it in this program is, I have two variables A and B, and I have a function called display where literally I'll display system.out.println. System.out.println is a guy which will print it to your console. So what it will print? In quotes, whatever you're giving, as it is, it will print. And A is a variable. It will print the content from the A. What is the content? Suppose you are giving the content as A is equal to 10. Then that will print. Then here, sorry, it is B. B is equal to B content will print. So A and B content will be printing over there. So that is how it will be coming. So next you see here. So what does it see? See, this is the main. Literally, this is the main. This is what I said. This guy will have a main will be there. So in Java, according to the Java, the main will be written as public. It's very important. You don't change this. Static, void. Don't change anything. Main, string, arg, square bracket. Now, first step. If you want to access anything from your class, you don't have any permission to directly go and take A, B or nothing. If you have no permission, you have to create object. That is why Java has a concept called class object. So what is that? I need to create. How to create object? You have to say what is the class name? Java class. Give any variable name is equal to new is the one which creates the object, and then Java class with this bracket semicolon you have to give. So if you write literally like this, then only it will create the object, then JC will be created. So in the memory there is something called JC will be created. JC will be created. It is just creating an object. JC will create. It will have A, it will have B, and it will have a display function. Where I say JC dot, this is JC and this is A, JCA, where JCA will put 45 here and JCB will put 20 here. So A and B is filled up with value, no? So now display display will catch up with A and B here like this. So and display will do that. Like that, how many objects if you want you can create. So this is a simple thing which I had done is, so this is how, like, we have to create a class. Now if you see here, you will literally get the output like this. A equal to 10, B equal to 10. So let's go and do this as in the Eclipse. So I opened the Eclipse already there. So at last class we had created a number of packages or projects. I hope you guys know how to create a project. Now here I am creating just a package only. Just right click, just go new and say package. I am creating a package called app. Okay, now finish. Now in that package, I'm going to create a class. So you know what is my class name? You have to see that the class name first. Then only go ahead and do that. You don't do directly like that. So just go ahead and see that what is the class name. So this is the main where I written in the name of the class called Java class. So you have to go ahead and see. Then only create, right click, new and say class. There you give. Don't give spelling mistake. Java is case sensitive, small, capital, you have to give. Then say finish. That's it. You see, right? Class is created. Now I need to go ahead and say integer a comma b. Right? I created a comma b, right? Now what I say? I'll say void display. Okay. Now see here. So what I'm trying to do is you just say system dot out dot. I'm printing it to the console, right? So println. Then I say A is equal to. So as it is, A has to print. A is equal to as it is has to print. Now I want to print the content of the variable called A. So I say A plus A. Plus A is attaching the message plus the variable. Now like that, I wanted to print what? I wanted to print B also. So I say B. Right? So you can see here B. So I put B is equal to B. That's it. Now what I am trying to say is public static void main. In that string arg, this is the main. This is how Java is calling the main. JVM will come to the main. Okay. So that time here there are certain things in the class which I need to access. So this, if you want to access, you should first create object as I saw. So what is the class name? Java class. That class, then put a variable. Any variable you give, new Java class, put a brackets, semicolon is necessary to end the statements. Then you call access the variables. JC dot A is a variable inside the class. So I put value for that, and then JC dot B is equal to, I put value for that also. Now I just need to call, because display is filled up with A and B values filled there, then display can access A and B, right? No. So I say JC dot display. So that. So this is how I have to do that. Now Control S, right click, and then you have to say run as Java application. You can see that has been open. A is equal to 56, B is equal to 45, right? Symbol 1, right? So point number 1, see that? You see here, point number. There are certain points I'm noting again and again for you guys. You have a look here. First point is you have to see what is my class name. Is the class inside that main is there? Because literally you can write so many classes in a file. So is the main residing in this class? Yes. Then your class name should be same. So you note the point, class name should be same. So in a program, this is the first point. Second point is, what is the second point? Is you should write the class. You should first know. Second point is you should create the package. When you create, you should see that package should be there, and you should create the class should be there. Then your variables, functions, and when you want to access something from the class, you have to create object. What is the class name? That only you have to give as an object, and then access jc dot A is equal to value A, B is equal to value, and display. This is how you need to display, and you will get the output over here. I hope you guys, everyone understood how to create a class. So make sure that your class should be proper, guys. Please make sure. And how to access, how the main has been written, you make sure. So don't do any mistake like this, only have to do that. Okay. So hope you guys understood about how to create a class and how to create an object and how to access literally from access the members from there. Okay. So this is how you have to create. So hope you guys understood. If you have any doubts, you can write it in the comment section. I will answer, I'll reply to that. So if you have any doubt, you can write. And if you need any videos regarding any programs, that also you guys can write it on the comment section. Please do subscribe and like. Thank you. Thank you very much. We'll see you on the next video. We will bring it with next simple videos for your purpose.